Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. When it comes to drill bits, there are many different types depending on the material that you're going to drill. Specifically for this video, we are going to focus on these yellow ones here, which are titanium coated, and then these black ones here, which are black oxide. Now, whether they're yellow or black, they will do the same thing. They will drill wood, metal, and plastic. Now, in my opinion, I would say the yellow titanium bits, keep those for metal because they're harder. And then the black oxide bits, keep those for wood. By doing this, you're going to save your better bits for harder materials and then your softer bits for softer materials. By doing this, you're going to minimize how often that you're going to have to replace your bits. The black oxide bits are sharpenable, but I wouldn't recommend trying to sharpen the titanium coated bits. You can see here how the coating is wearing away from usage. Now, one other thing is this kit here, this is a Ryobi drill bit set. It is I would say an entry-level set. The quality is not really there, but it has a lot of different bits. And as you need to, you can just replace the bits with better ones so you have bits on hand for whatever your project is. Guys, when it comes to bits, yellow bits are titanium coated, black bits are black oxide. They will do the same thing, but in my opinion, keep the yellow titanium bits for metal, and then the black oxide bits, use that for wood and plastic to maximize the life of your bits. Guys, that is your quick tip of the week.